Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer BTT with Bittrex, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer BTT with Bittrex, first, log into your Bittrex account. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallets section on the main dashboard. In the Wallets section, search for BTT in the available list of cryptocurrencies. Once you find BTT, click on the Withdraw button next to it. In the withdrawal window, you'll need to enter the receiving wallet address. Make sure that the wallet address is correct to avoid any loss of funds. Next, specify the amount of BTT you wish to transfer. Take this opportunity to review the transaction details carefully. After confirming the details, click on the Withdraw button to proceed. You may be prompted to complete two-factor authentication for security purposes. Once you complete the authentication, your withdrawal request will be submitted. You'll receive a confirmation email regarding the withdrawal request. Check your email and follow any provided instructions to confirm the transaction. The BTT should be on its way to your specified wallet address. Withdrawal times may vary, so be patient as the transaction processes. You can monitor the status of your withdrawal in the Wallet section. Once the BTT has been successfully transferred, you will receive a notification. Always ensure you keep track of your transactions for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.